Kung ikaw ay bagong fish keeper pa lamang, please panoorin mo tong video na to. Hi everyone, this is Zay from Zay Aquatics. So for today's topic is about things you need to consider before setting up a fish tank. First thing na dapat i-consider is yung tank size. Dapat natin i-consider kung yung tank na bibilin mo ay pasok ba sa budget mo, kung kasya ba sa space na paglalagyan mo, and kung ano yung mga isda na ilalagay mo. Second thing to consider is yung filtration. It doesn't matter what size your aquarium is, and napakarami namang options na pagpipilian pagdating sa filter. For me, pinaka-simple na option sa filter is yung sponge filter. Most common naman is yung mga hang-on back filters, and pag sa large tank naman is yung mga canister filters. The next thing you need to consider is buying a heater. Dahil most of our fish requires warmer water temperature, lalo na pag malamig yung panahon, dapat tayo mag-invest sa pagbili ng heater para sa aquarium natin. Next thing that we need to consider is buying a light for our aquarium. Lalo na if you're planning on having a planted tank, napaka-importante ng lights sa plants para mabuhay sila. Next thing we need to consider is yung mga decorations na ilalagay natin sa tank. I-consider natin na yung mga ilalagay natin na decorations sa tank is not harmful for our fishes. So ngayon, may tank ka na, filtration, heater, light, and decorations. The next thing we need to consider is yung pagsacycle ng tank. Number one cause ng fish death is yung uncycled tanks. And the last thing we need to consider is buying a fish. Dapat natin i-check na yung fish ba na bibilhin natin is tamang-tama sa tank size natin. Or if bibili man tayo ng two separate species ng fish, kung pwede ba silang pagsamahin. And kung hanggang ilang numbers of fishes yung pwedeng ilagay sa loob ng tank. Ayun lang naman for today, and if may mga questions kayo or suggestions, please let me know sa comment section. Yun lang, and happy fish keeping!